so like I said, 4,500 tasks later. I did some stuff off camera, which means I forgot to record some things because it was the holiday season and it was busy and I had a bunch of stuff going on and I just kind of forgot some stuff. So I put some things together without recording it. And the first one was that I put iron oxide on the Mosaic background. This is what it looks like. This is not the one that I'm making in the video. This is another one, but it works really well with white oak and it turns it black. And if you haven't seen, I believe it's one of my Roubo videos, I will put it here. I show how to do the iron oxide thing and turn white oak black. It looks really cool and it's very cheap and easy to do. Also, I glued down the sword and the hilt and the handle, and then I glued the letters and numbers onto the sword and the hilt for the scripture reference. And then I made a kind of a thick, chunky looking frame out of white oak. Didn't put iron oxide on that because contrast is awesome. And then I cut the slots for splines. Splines can be, strengthening for a miter joint, but in most cases it's not going to add any strength to it really. It's just going to be pretty. I mean, I'm sure it would add strength, but unless you really did something wrong, your miter joint's not going to come apart. Anyway, so that's that. We're moving on, and here I am putting the splines in the slots. Whoosh.